My god, I have found the death egg. So everybody, my name is Iron Bat, and I am recording again. It's been a long time, and you remember this? Now you remember that really crappy video way back when? You know, this one. You know that. Okay, this music is getting annoying. What the hell's my what? There it is. All right. Mute. There we go. Shouldn't have done that when I was showing the video. I'm stupid. So I shall collect the Chaos Emeralds. And oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where's my recorder? My recording. Just getting messed up. Damn this game. This mailbox is mine. I like the mailbox. Now, mailbox is a very nice person indeed. I wonder what this does. Yeah, I did it. Alright, I'm gonna get the second coolest emerald. Boing, 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 boing. Death egg's up there. Let's see if I can get in there. It's like an opening at the bottom. Oh, also, I have green hair. Boing. Yeah. I've seen this water or lava decal before. Just don't know where. It's in the place. Bro, I didn't even need that. Boing. You know what? I think we need some music. Cue the music. There we go. Okay, let's go on with this. Oh, shit, forgot about the emerald. Wait. Wait. Ow. What is that there, sir? I'd like to take a look at your ass, sir. Ass. Sir. Mine. All these mailboxes are mine. This mailbox is mine. I should just do all my recordings like this. Nah. The silver arrows. It's Mars. No, I know a way of getting Darkspine now. Oh, are you kidding me? Yep. Oh, goddamn! Music's playing over. No! No, mute! It's mute. Ruining my beautiful rooftop run, damn it. So, how many more emeralds do I need? I think there's like a purple one somewhere. As what I remember from the last time I even played this game. Also got a new headset. Got a little mic. You hear me? You hear me? Ow. I know I'm looping with Rooftop Run, but I don't give a rat's ass. Where's that purple damn emerald? It's over here. I know it. Blah 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 blah. Purple! Color of my heart. Doot 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 doot. Or was it last emerald? I won it! Alright, the last emerald's over here. Yep, it is. Alright. I'm glad that the placement of the emerald never changed. Now... Fast transformation on. Oh, I need more rings, don't I? Damn this! Actually, I want to go hyper. So I'm gonna have to have 500 rings. And I'll be right back. Hurry up. I should probably turn the sound all the way off in Roblox, because I don't want Hyperform playing! Let me get on. Let me get on! You can see my face! What the hell? Come on. Get on! Come on, you're hyper. Get off. Oh, screw it. Really? Really? This is how I do it? This motherfucker right here. This motherfucker right here. Hopefully this doesn't cause an ear rape because of how fucking close it would fucking make. Yes! I have the power of Neon Cut! Yes! I have the power. I got the power! How'd I fly up? Ah, shit. I don't know how. Ah, crap. Alright, let me find out. Changelog. Convenience. Turn off flame, no. Right, is it somewhere in here? Oh, goddamn! Over, can I, like... Is there a way? do you know the way? I don't know how, honestly. No, I'm just keep on put. Okay, that's Chaos Spear. Or Hyper Chaos Spear. You know what? I'm just gonna do this. Wait, what? Alright, I see it. Aha. Aha! I see it. I see it. I see it. And now it's all within my reach. Now I feel so free. I see it now, and it's always been inside of me. Possibilities. I should probably just play some random games. Because why not? My recording stopped. Why? Hey guys, I decided to help one of my friends, like, do shit here. Cause I mean, why the hell not? You know, I should probably just skip this out of recording. Be right back. I have no idea what I'm playing, but I think I have to kill. Yeah. I should just stop skipping some of the recording at this rate. Xbox douchebag. Fuck you. I missed. Alright. Ah. Wait, what? He was already dead? The fuck? You smoke screened me. It didn't help you whatsoever. Someone has 55 kills in there. Go ahead and kill this bacon hair. Bruh. Bruh. This is the epic fight. Not really. It's really not. Bro, I'm a pro. It's really easy just to spam this. How do I even know how the controls work in this game? It's like, you go up to a wall. You hump the wall. Ugh. Oh. Oh, here's a victim! You deserve that. Some sniping bitches. Was that a log? Really? Really? Come on, fight me like a man, bitch. Ha! Smoke screen doesn't work, motherfucker. Oh, the screen becomes white. This hurts my eyes. just don't you. Why'd you even make the smoke screen? It like burns my eyes. Honestly. Fuck off. Bro, my health. I've already got 8 kills and only 1 death. What is happening? Oh, your health down. I can do that. Alright, who's sniping me? I'm coming for you, bitch. You better not be one of these tree motherfuckers. Yeah, you are. Alright. Suck my cock.